Hey, how's it going, PC team? In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a MooMoo account. Again, this is the best day trading app that I have found. And if you do this, they are going to refund you for your first month. Again, MooMoo is going to cover your first month within this program. So if you'd like to open a MooMoo account, collect a bunch of free stocks, keep watching. So first, you're going to want to go to the link we have provided. You can find this either in my link tree or I'm going to provide it somewhere within the course. Click the welcome link. It's going to say Profit Chasers shared up to 15 free stocks with you, up to $2,000. So get a free stock, and then you're going to want to sign up using an email or password. So the only things you're going to need is your address, a social security number, and if you are employed. If you're not employed, you still can do this, but a form of employment. So again, if you're unemployed, you can do this. So first, I want to talk about security. Remember that this is a publicly traded company. It's a billion-dollar empire. They're not going to sell your information. I've had well over 1,000 students open an account and use this account to day trade full-time, and we've not had a single issue. It's just as safe as Webull, Thinkorswim. I've had some questions because it's not as popular, but it is gaining massive popularity due to how good it is. Now, I'm going to type in, again, my social. Now, it's going to ask you a series of questions on your financial status. Just be honest. Even if you make $0 a year, you still can open an account. Even if you make over $1 million a year, you still can open an account. So just type in, what is true about you. Don't try to lie or anything like that. It's fine. Now, after this, we're going to have a few more steps, and we're going to be able to finalize our account. Now, it's going to make sure you verify your phone number, read the risk disclosure, and then application will be submitted. Now, all you have to do now is link your bank account and deposit up to $1. You can deposit as little as $1 to collect some free stocks. You have to deposit at least $1 in order to claim your refund, because that's the last step of opening the account. Now I'm going to deposit a few thousand so I can have as many free stocks as I can. Now, at this step, you're going to deposit as much as you want. Like I said, you can deposit as little as $1, or you can go up to $100 or $500, or how much you want to deposit with. And then once your account is approved, you can now download the app, start trading in the app, and actually claim your free stocks. Now, this is not my account. This is a new account that we did open. Now, two things before we finish. Click the rewards. And as you can see right now, I don't have any of the free stocks. However, once the $1 deposit does hit, it should take 1 to 3 business days for me to get my rewards, and I can simply just go in here, click claim, and then I'll have them to where I can hold on to them, or I can sell them if I'd like, liquidate. And then that MooMoo ID is what you guys are going to need to save and send back to us at the end of the course. We're going to have a survey at the end, and if you put that MooMoo ID in there, we are going to refund you guys $30 for the course. And then from there, you guys can choose to trade whatever you would like. Again, this is the most advanced day trading app. We're going to have more videos walking through how to day trade on this app, but just have at it, guys. And that's it. That's how you open a MooMoo account. If you guys have any questions about opening a MooMoo account, we do have a MooMoo support line for you guys, or you can direct message me right here in Discord. If you guys don't have any other questions, just click save and continue, and I'll see you in the very next lesson. Peace, team.